Chat GPT is a large, powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It is specifically designed to perform well in conversational contexts and has been trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text. As a result, it can generate highly plausible responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. One of the key features of Chat GPT is its ability to generate responses that are coherent, relevant, and natural-sounding. This contrasts with many other language models, which often produce responses that are overly generic or nonsensical. This ability to produce coherent and relevant responses is a result of ChatGPT's training on a large dataset of human-generated text. This dataset includes a wide range of conversational contexts, from informal chats to more formal discussions, and this allows ChatGPT to generate responses that are appropriate for a wide range of contexts. Another key feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate responses that are highly personalized. This is because ChatGPT can consider the context of a conversation, as well as the specific words and phrases that have been used in the conversation up to that point. This allows ChatGPT to generate responses that are tailored to the individual user, and that are more likely to be relevant and engaging. In addition to its ability to generate coherent, relevant, and personalized responses, ChatGPT is also highly efficient. It can process large amounts of text quickly, and can generate responses in real time, making it well suited for use in chatbot applications. This efficiency is possible thanks to the use of advanced techniques, such as deep learning and neural networks, which allow ChatGPT to rapidly analyze and process large amounts of text. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that can generate highly plausible responses to a wide range of conversational prompts. Its ability to generate coherent, relevant, and personalized responses, as well as its efficiency, make it well suited for use in a variety of applications, including chatbots and other conversational AI systems. In fact, this whole text is generated by ChatGPT. That is all for today. Please like and subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates from us.